Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to format any storage device using CMD. Let me show you my own. As you can see, this my USB drive is not accessible. On your computer, press Windows key, then type CMD. Run as administrator. Then you type this. As you can see, my one is disk 2, so you select disk 2. You press enter, type clean. And you will type create partition primary. Then you select that partition that you created. Enter. And you type this. And say this pass successfully format the volume. Then you assign it. As you can see, my USB drive